Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English learning session. My name is Your Name, and today we have something very exciting for you. We're going to do two important things. One, learn daily life English conversation at the market. And two, practice English speaking, self-introduction step by step in slow American English. Now, you might wonder, why should you watch this video till the end? Well, by the end of this video, you will be able to buy fruits and vegetables at the market confidently in English. Learn useful daily phrases that native speakers use. Practice self-introduction sentences that sound natural and fluent. Improve your American English pronunciation and fluency. So, I recommend watching this video till the end. Repeat after me and practice all the dialogues. Grab a notebook, a pen, and your enthusiasm because we are going to make learning English fun, simple. Part 1. Daily Life English Conversation at the Market, 12 to 15 minutes. Host. Imagine you are at a busy market. You need to buy fruits and vegetables. Let's start with a simple conversation. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Dialogue 1. Basic conversation. Hello, how can I help you today? Hi, I would like to buy some apples, please. Sure, how many would you like? I would like 6 apples. Here you go. Anything else? Yes, I also want 2 bananas, please. All right, that will be $5 in total. Here you are. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Host tip. Repeat each line slowly. Use your notebook to write down. Practice variations. Buyer. Can I get 3 oranges, please? Seller. Of course. That will be $3. Buyer. Thank you. Buyer. I'd like some fresh tomatoes. Seller. Sure. How many pounds? Buyer. 2 pounds, please. Vocabulary and pronunciation practice. Slow American English. Apple. 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 Banana. 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 Tomato. 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 Pound. 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 Total. 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 Repeat slowly. Dialogue 2. Extended conversation. Good morning. What would you like today? Good morning. I want fresh carrots and cucumbers. Sure. How many cucumbers do you need? 3 cucumbers, please. Anything else? Yes. 1 watermelon, please. Your total is $10. Here is the money. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a great day. Host tip. Use polite expressions often. I would like. Can I get? Repeat slowly. Advanced phrases for fluency. Could you please give me? I would like to have. Can you tell me the price of? I am looking for fresh fruits. How much does this cost? Thank you for your help. Practice these sentences 3 times slowly. English speaking practice. Self-introduction.
Host. Now, let's learn how to introduce yourself in American English. Speak slowly and clearly.
Basic sentences. Hello, my name is your name. I am from your country. I live in your city. I am your age years old. I work as your profession. I like reading, cooking, and traveling. Practice tip. Say each sentence 3 times. Focus on pronunciation, stress. Q&A. Practice. Self-introduction. What is your name? My name is John. Where are you from? I am from Canada. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What do you want to buy at the market? I want to buy apples and bananas. Do you like shopping at the market? Yes, I like shopping at the market. Host tip. Repeat all answers slowly. Try recording yourself. Role play. Market plus self-introduction. Person A. Hi, my name is John. I am from New York. Person B. Hello, John. I am Sarah. I live in Los Angeles. Nice to meet you. Are you shopping for fruits today? Yes, I want to buy some apples and bananas. Great. I also need some oranges. Let's go together to the fruit stand. Sure, that sounds fun. Tip. Repeat slowly. Practice with a friend. Extended practice and exercises, 5 to 6 minutes. Host. Let's expand our daily routine conversation. Imagine you are shopping at the market every day. Dialogue. Good morning. What would you like today? Good morning. I want fresh carrots and cucumbers. How many cucumbers do you need? 3 cucumbers, please. Anything else? Yes, 1 watermelon. Your total is $10. Here is the money. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a great day. Vocabulary practice. Repeat these words 3 times. Fresh, market, cucumber, carrot, watermelon. Daily routine expansion. Ask questions. Where are you from? What do you want to buy? Answer in full sentences. Repeat each sentence slowly 3 times. Advanced phrases for fluency. Could you please give me? I would like to have. Can you tell me the price of? I am looking for fresh fruits. How much does this cost? Thank you for your help. Practice these sentences 3 times slowly. Use them in role play. Daily practice expansion. Host. You can practice daily like this. 1. Visit a market. 2. Use phrases learned. I would like. Can I get? 3. Introduce yourself to a friend in English. Hello, my name is. 4. Ask questions. Where are you from? Extra tips. Speak slowly and clearly. Repeat sentences multiple times. Practice both dialogues and self-intro.
Great job today! You have learned how to buy fruits and vegetables at the market confidently. Useful daily expressions in American English. How to introduce yourself fluently. Polite and common phrases for conversation. Remember, practice daily. Repeat the dialogues and speak slowly. You can watch this video again
to improve your fluency. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel, like, and share with your friends. Also, check out our other videos for more daily English conversation practice. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and stay confident